How to use UpCounsel My Legal Consulting properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. UpCounsel provides access to experienced legal professionals, but many beginners make mistakes that can lead to costly missteps during acquisitions or mergers. The first mistake is not defining your objectives clearly. Are you buying a competitor, acquiring technology, or merging operations? Without clear goals, legal advice may not align with your strategy. Another common error is underestimating due diligence. UpCounsel lawyers can guide you, but skipping financial, legal, or operational reviews can result in undiscovered liabilities. Always perform thorough due diligence before finalizing a deal. Many users fail to clarify responsibilities and scope in contracts. Ambiguities in purchase agreements, employment contracts, or intellectual property transfers can create disputes later. Have your lawyer review all terms carefully. Neglecting regulatory compliance is another pitfall. MA transactions may trigger antitrust laws, securities regulations, or industry-specific rules. Ignoring these can lead to fines or deal termination. Finally, some assume consulting alone is enough. Effective MA requires coordination across finance, operations, and legal teams. Use UpCounsel as part of a comprehensive strategy. To use UpCounsel MA Legal Consulting properly, define objectives clearly, perform thorough due diligence, review all contracts, ensure regulatory compliance, and integrate legal guidance with broader business planning. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll minimize risk while maximizing value.